Thank you for joining us today. I'm your moderator. I am Ponce Pacpaco. Today, we're here to discuss the collaborative efforts of President Ferdinand Bongbong R. Marcos Jr. and the House of Representatives, headed by Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, to help flood victims affected by the recent weather disturbances, including Super Typhoon Pepito. This includes initiatives such as the government's flagship program, Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair, which aims to provide comprehensive assistance and services to those in need. Of course, we're also here to give updates on the scheduled House Blue Ribbon Committee hearing tomorrow, and among other issues of the day. Allow me to introduce our distinguished speakers. House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability Chairman and Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Archua.
Morning.
House Assistant Majority Leader and Taguig City 2nd District Representative Amparo Maria Pami J. Zamora. And House Deputy Secretary General Soponios Ponyong Gabonada Jr. Sorry. Before we open the floor for media questions, as our traditional practice, we will give our distinguished speakers the opportunity to share their short opening statements. Ma'am Pami, you may begin, followed by Chairman Chua and Deputy Secretary General Gabonada. Ma'am.
Magandang umaga sa ating mga kaibigan sa media. The three of us are ready to take on your questions. Huwag naman masyadong mahirap, ha? Porket ako to. Kaya natin to.
Good morning, everyone. I hope we will be able to answer all your questions satisfactorily. Magandang umaga po ulit.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, of course, kung Zamora and kung Chua, and sa ating mga kaibigan media. Maraming salamat po sa pag-ibita sa amin ngayon. And I'm here to give updates on the recent activities of the Office of the Speaker and House of Representatives in relation to the ongoing relief and rehabilitation efforts to the affected areas of the recent typhoons. Marami-rami ito. So, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you. To start with the first question for today, let us acknowledge Isa Bendaño Mali from GMA DCWB.
Naputol ang mic ni Isa.
Sorry. Hello po, good morning po, Coms.
Hi.
Unahin ko lang din po muna si Deputy SG. Makibalita lang po kami dahil kahapon nga po umalis ng batasan pambansa yung 24 trucks na magdadala po ng relief supply sa Bicol region. Kamusta po? Nakarating na po ba yung mga trucks po sa Bicol?
Well, those 24 trucks will be proceeding to various areas. No? Una, Camarines Sur, Camarines Norte, Albay, and Catanduanes. Nakarating na po as of 10 a.m. kanina for the relief goods and some rehabilitation items. Nakarating na sa Cam Norte and Cam Sur. The half of the trucks are moving towards Albay, and the last one is Catanduanes in preparation for our massive relief and rehabilitation efforts on Thursday with Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Marami din po kasi nagtatanong dahil Bicol region pa muna yung pupuntahan nitong relief caravan. Meron din po ba kayong plano na dalhin din po yung ganitong caravan sa iba pang mga nasalanta po ng mga nakalipas na kalamidad?
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, yung lahat na nasalanta ng nakaraang mga bagyo, Christine, Leon, Marcel, Nika, Ophel, at ngayon nga, Pepito, inuna lang natin kasi yung Bicol kasi 2 beses silang binuyo ng bagyo, no? And the massive destruction na nandun ngayon ay kailangan talaga ng mas malawak na efforts. Samantalang, Region 1, Region 2, and Calabarzon and Region 8, nagpadala na din po tayo ng relief goods doon at nagpadala na din, nag-endorse na din sa pamamagitan ng Office of the Speaker at sa utos na din ni President Bongbong Marcos, nagbigay na din tayo, nagpa-endorse na din tayo ng pondo para sa ating mga House members para mabigyan din ng cash assistance ang mga taong naapektuhan, lubhang naapektuhan ng calamities na for the past 4 weeks already.
Related din po sa calamity kasi po naglabas ng statement yung Office of the Executive Secretary na umaapil po sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno na huwag magdaos ng magkarabo masyado or malangyapong Christmas party bilang pakikiisa po sa mga nasalanta ng mga nakalipas na calamity. Dito po sa House of Representatives, meron po ba kayong plano? Kasi po, usually may mga Christmas day po kayo nagpapailaw at iba pang mga parties din po na isinasagawa. Paano po makikiisa rito yung Kamara?
Of course, we will sympathize sa lahat ng mga naapektuhan ng recent calamities. In fact, noong November 30, supposedly, may HREF month tayo celebration. It's a big gathering, supposedly, pero the administration and the leadership of the House and per appeal of the Speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez, ay kinancel po natin yung lahat ng mga activities na yun and all the financial cash na available ng activity na yun ay dinonate din natin at binili ng mga relief goods para maibigay doon sa mga lugar na nasalanta ng bagyo. So, we are one with the nation to really call for just a simple celebration and to be one with our constituents in various districts, lalo na yung mga homes natin na lubhang naapektuhan itong mga bagyo.
Tingnan ko na rin po ng statement po si Kong Zamora and Kong Chua regarding po sa statement ng ES. Thank you po.
Well, ever since naman, mula nung nakaupo ako, never naman talaga kami nagkaroon ng magarbong celebration dito. Kahit Christmas party, we always just gather here in the house. We never really never kami lumabas. Dito lang sa house, kumakain lang kami. So, it's always been simple. And